Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having an automatic transmission. It could be almost any automatic transmission. You have check engine light on or transmission light and any of the following four codes. I'm talking about code P0720, 721, 722 or 723. If you have one of those, you may experience problems where the transmission doesn't shift correctly. Okay, stay with us. We will explain what can easily cause that and how to fix it. It's not expensive and it will take you only practically a few minutes to find out the problem. Now, before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. If you need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, and you can save quite a bit of money, by the way. We have that transmission completely apart, so we can explain, okay, what can easily cause that. Now, if you guys need a good scanner to scan transmissions or every computer system in your car, this is the one. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. It works on almost any car you can think of, guys. It's an all-system scanner that can pay itself off in one-time use. So, what we did here, we drained the transmission fluid. We removed the oil pan. From here, we remove the valve body. This is what shifts the gears in your transmission, your valve body, guys. You have multiple solenoids. Each one of those has specific, function. For instance, this is the line pressure solenoid. This solenoid is for third, fifth, and reverse gears. This is for second and sixth. This is for the torque converter. Those are for clutch A, clutch B. So you have multiple, guys, multiple. Here you can see solenoids. If one of those goes bad, transmission may not shift correctly. Or sometimes when they're dirty, they may not shift as well. So we have a special video that explains how to clean transmission solenoids. Now, something else, guys. Once you remove the valve body, usually on your transmission, you will notice that you have two sensors right here. Two sensors, if you look at them. So now let's talk about something. Before we end the video, I want to explain why it's super important to change your transmission fluid and one common mistake people make when they take the transmission apart. So if you look at those sensors, one of those is known, this one here, as the input speed sensor. This is known as the output speed sensors. So this is the input output shaft, guys, and if that sensor doesn't work correctly, you will get any of these codes from 720 to 723, guys, because of that sensors. Often you can replace only one of the sensors on that specific transmission. Unfortunately, you have to replace both sensors, which in some cases, it's not expensive. But you will need to replace both of them. On this specific one, you can see the wiring harness. It comes with the transmission sensors, both of them, so you will practically have to replace both. I just touched right there and you can see all the contamination I have. That is most likely from the transmission clutches. The transmission fluid, guys, it's nasty. You can see how bad it is, the swirls that you have in it. That's actually contamination, and that's deposits from the clutches, moving parts, wheels, gears, and all that eventually will start building up in the transmission body, valve body, and the transmission may start acting up. So it's important to change your transmission often. We have a special video that explains how often to change transmission fluid and why in some cases you may need to change it up to 3 times. So check it out. But if you have any of these codes, most likely output speed sensors, all we have to do is replace it. Often you can actually, guys, test the input and output speed sensors, with the Maxicom computer that we have here. You can check under transmission, go to live data, and it will be able to show you, how to test transmission input and output speed sensors. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.